In this video, you are going to see how to add row or column in a Word table in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to add a table in Microsoft PowerPoint, go to Insert, go to Table and select a 3x2 table. If you want to remove this color, click on over here, click on the border to all border and go to shading and make it no fill. If you want to add a row under this, click on over here, go to table layout and click on insert row below. Then a row will be added very easily. If you want to add a column, just click on over here and click on insert column right, then a column will be added. If you want to add in the left, click on insert column left, then the column will be added. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.